Lockjaw ladder grip. Climbing a ladder may seem simple, but statistics show just how dangerous it can be. Over 35,000 people in the US end up injured every year from ladder and stepladder accidents. That's where the lockjaw ladder grip comes in, offering a smart, easy way to stay safe. This clever clamp attaches to your gutter in just 5 seconds, locking the ladder securely in place so it won't slip or wobble while you're working. Don't let its small size fool you. It's strong enough to handle up to 100 kilograms of static load, giving you stability and peace of mind when you're up high. The design is so impressive, it even won the Best New Tool Award at the 2020 International Roofing Expo. Mako Tools Fluid Evacuator. The Mako Tools Fluid Evacuator is a smart and affordable tool designed to make fluid changes quick, easy, and hassle-free. Costing only $32, it's a budget-friendly solution that gives you the freedom to handle jobs on your own without needing an extra set of hands. Traditionally, changing fluids like brake fluid often requires someone to pump the pedal, but with this vacuum pump, you can do it all by yourself. What makes it even better is its versatility. It's not just for brakes. This tool can also handle engine oil, transmission oil, gear oil, and even power steering fluid, making it a true all-in-one solution. It comes with a generous 2-meter hose, giving you plenty of reach to work in tight or awkward spots. To keep things clean, the fluid evacuator is fitted with a built-in shutoff valve that prevents leaks and accidental spills, so your workspace stays neat. With its simple design and reliable performance, the Mako Fluid Evacuator, AS808, is a practical addition to any mechanic's kit or home garage. Compact, effective, and incredibly useful, it's proof that a small tool can deliver big results when it comes to saving time and effort. Nautilus Cargo Drone. The Nautilus Cargo Drone is a next-generation autonomous freighter designed to change the way goods are transported by air. Developed by Nautilus, a leading innovator in drone cargo technology, this aircraft aims to reduce both the cost and environmental impact of traditional air freight. The first model, the Nautilus N3.8T, is a twin-engine turboprop capable of lifting a maximum takeoff weight of 8,618 kilograms, 19,000 pounds, and flying up to 1,667 kilometers, 1,035 miles. It can carry standard LD3 cargo containers weighing up to 3,855 kilograms, 8,500 pounds, making it perfect for large shipments. Neo Eden. The Neo Eden is a breathtaking concept car created to connect people, nature, and artificial intelligence in a unique way. One of the first things you'll notice is its stunning use of glass. The windshield flows all the way to the front axle, blending smoothly with the side windows, roof, and even the rear deck, giving the car a sleek and futuristic look. But the real magic happens when the Eden is parked. The chassis expands while the doors and roof slide apart, opening the cabin to the outside world and creating a lounge-like space that blends seamlessly with nature. Inside, the design feels more like a luxury retreat than a car. 2 reclining lounge chairs, a rounded bench seat, and ample legroom give passengers the comfort of a modern living room on wheels. On the outside, bold flared wheel arches, stylish black and silver wheels, thin LED headlights, and a curved LED taillight highlight its futuristic elegance. The Neo Eden is more than just transportation. Ponce Scorpion King. The Ponce Scorpion King is a forestry machine designed with the operator in mind, combining comfort, visibility, and productivity. This 8-wheeled harvester is built to handle tough forest conditions while keeping the driver safe and efficient. Its innovative crane system offers clear visibility in every direction, making it easy to work smoothly even in dense forests or challenging terrain. The cabin sits in the center of the machine, giving the driver a full view of the surroundings and precise control over tree placement and pile direction. This positioning also means that when the cabin turns, the operator doesn't feel dizzy or off balance, ensuring a more comfortable and less tiring workday. Side windows provide excellent visibility for filling and organizing timber piles, so every action is efficient and eco-friendly. With its driver-focused design, the Ponce Scorpion King allows for flexible path uninterrupted operation. Ropa Sittelsdorf has become a major hub for building advanced harvesting machines, especially for sugar beets and potatoes. Located in Germany, this factory produces the popular Europa machines, which are now used in over 40 countries worldwide. Over the past few years, the company has invested heavily in the site, adding new production halls, research centers, and development facilities to meet the growing demand for high-quality, efficient equipment. One of the most impressive features of Ropa machines is their wide pickup system. Stretching up to 10.2 meters, it comes with 18 durable, hard-welded cleaning rollers that efficiently remove soil and weeds. This makes it the widest pickup system among similar machines on the market. The system is also fully adjustable. Operators can control the cleaning length and intensity directly from the cabin, making it easy to adapt to different field conditions. Craig Panel Carrier. Moving big, heavy sheets of plywood, particle board, or panels is usually awkward and often needs two people, but the Craig Panel Carrier makes it a breeze. This smart little tool is designed around a simple idea. Just clamp, lift, and go. With a load capacity of up to 45 kilograms, it can easily handle common sheet sizes, including panels as large as 1220 by 2440 millimeters, with a maximum thickness of 19 millimeters. What makes it even better are the GripMax clamps, which automatically adjust to the material, gripping it firmly without leaving dents, scratches, or damage. The ergonomic handle is designed to let you carry panels with just one hand, freeing up the other for your phone, tools, or even your coffee. Whether you're a professional carpenter, contractor, or just tackling a home project, this tool makes lifting and moving panels faster, safer, and much less tiring. Scarper. The Scarper is a brilliant gadget that turns your regular bike into a powerful e-bike in just minutes. Instead of buying an expensive electric bike, you only need to replace your rear disc brake rotor with Scarper's special disc drive. At first, it looks and works like a normal brake, but once you add the Scarper unit, it becomes something much smarter. The main unit, weighing only 3 kilograms, holds both the motor and battery in a sleek, compact design. It simply clips onto your bike's frame, and when the disc drive connects, the internal gearing powers your rear wheels smoothly. A small sensor attached to the crank measures your pedaling speed and cadence, so the motor knows exactly how much help to give you. Swiss Tech Utility Key. The Swiss Tech Utility Key is one of those clever gadgets that makes everyday life easier without taking up space. At first glance, it looks just like a normal key on your keychain, but hidden inside is a complete mini toolkit. This compact multi-tool features 6 practical functions: 2 sharp blades for opening boxes or cutting small items, 3 different screwdrivers for quick fixes, and even a bottle opener for when you want to enjoy a drink. Made from polished stainless steel, it's strong, durable, and designed to last for years. What makes it even more convenient is the quick release system, which allows you to detach it from your keyring in seconds and start using it right away. Despite offering so many tools, it weighs only 14 grams, so you won't even notice it in your pocket. Plus, it's TSA approved, meaning you can carry it on flights without worry. That makes it not just a handy everyday tool, but also a perfect travel companion. And the best part, it's available for just $8, making it one of the most affordable and useful gadgets you can own. Small, smart, and practical. The utility key is everyday convenience in your pocket. Tough-built knee pads. The tough-built knee pads are a game changer for anyone who works on their knees all day, offering the perfect mix of comfort, durability, and protection. Built with high-quality gel and foam, they provide excellent cushioning while evenly spreading your weight to reduce pressure and pain. The gel layer also absorbs vibrations, which is a huge plus for jobs that require constant kneeling or repetitive movements. Unlike regular pads, these have a wide, stable base that prevents tipping and slipping, while the raised sidewalls keep your knees from twisting out of place. This makes them much safer and more reliable in demanding work environments. Another standout feature is the adjustable straps, which allow you to tighten or loosen them for the perfect fit, ensuring they stay comfortable even after hours of use. Whether you're in construction, flooring, tiling, gardening, or any other job that demands long hours on hard surfaces, these knee pads are built to keep up with you. Priced at $70, they are not just a tool, but an investment in your comfort and joint health. With tough-built knee pads, tough tasks feel easier, and your knees stay protected no matter the challenge. Triclone Trimmer Head. The Triclone Trimmer Head is a handy lawn care attachment that makes cutting grass, trimming bushes, and even tackling small trees much easier. Designed by the US company Amcor Trading, this tool attaches to an electric lawnmower and instantly boosts its cutting power. Vertimax 4413. The Vertimax 44113 is a clever gardening tool that makes tying plants quick, easy, and efficient. Instead of wasting time with strings or fiddling around by hand, this device completes a full tying cycle in just a few seconds. All you have to do is load the tape, position it around the plant, and press the handle. The tool instantly secures the plant with a neat tie. One of its best features is its economical use of tape. It only uses the amount needed and delivers precise, clean cuts every time, so there's no mess or waste. This not only saves money, but also makes the process smoother and more reliable. The Vertimax 4413 is especially helpful for gardeners, farmers, or anyone managing a large number of plants, such as in vineyards, orchards, or vegetable gardens. Zero Body Dry Float. The Zero Body Dry Float is a modern relaxation system that lets you experience the benefits of floating without touching water. Inside its capsule-shaped chamber, there are 400 liters of warm water mixed with 200 kilograms of Epsom salt. The water is kept at 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, the same as your body temperature. So when you lie inside, you instantly feel weightless and completely supported. The best part is that you stay dry the entire time. The enclosed capsule blocks out light and sound, creating a calm, quiet environment that helps your mind switch off from the outside world. This floating experience doesn't just feel good, it also comes with powerful health benefits. It can reduce stress, ease anxiety, and improve sleep quality.